Instead of typing in Excel, you can also draw in Excel using what are called inking tools. And if you look on my ribbon here, there is no drawing or inking tools on my ribbon. The reason is that by default, when your computer or laptop that you're using is not a touch screen computer, the inking tools are not activated by default. You need to activate them yourself because they are drawing tools, so they assume that you are not going to draw or use a pen because you don't have a touch screen, so they are turned off by default. If it was a touch screen laptop, the inking tools will be shown. So now here is how you are going to show your inking tools on the computer, on your ribbon, if they are not there as on mine. You go to the ribbon and you right click on the ribbon and you click on customize the ribbon. And when you click on customize the ribbon, right on here you see where it says main tabs. On the main tabs you see all the tabs that are there. I'm going to collapse home for you here, and you see that there is draw here and is not selected. So I can choose to select all the inking tools by clicking on draw here, and all the inking tools are selected. Or I can open here and choose which inking tools I want to take. I want all of them, so I'm going to click on draw, and then after that I will click on OK. When I do that, I come to my ribbon, the draw tab is now there, so I have my inking tools now using that. So what can I do with my inking tools? Basically, like I said, they work better if you are having a touch screen and you've got a pen and you can write on your computer. If you're using a mouse, it's a bit difficult, but I'm going to demonstrate to you. If I click on draw here, I can draw anything that I want here using my mouse. It won't be very nice because it's not easy to draw with your mouse. And I can use the eraser to erase anything that I've drawn. I've erased this one. I can also click here to erase this part, or click here to erase this one as well. I can use the lasso tool to select an area that I want on my computer, and I can use these pens to also write. This one I think is a black one. I can write with a black one. I can pick a red one. These are just pens. I can click this. It looks like a highlighter, so I can take a highlighter and I can highlight something on my Excel. I can add another pen. Either I want a pencil like that, and then I can choose the color of the pencil. I want a pencil that is blue. That's it. Or I can delete the pencil if I don't want it. I can add a pen which is orange, or delete it, and I can add a highlight as well. Highlighters are usually yellow. Let me just delete this one as well. And if I'm looking at any of my drawings, let me just pick any drawing here. I can change this drawing from ink to shape. Let's say I draw something like this. It was a drawing, now it's a shape. It's no longer a drawing because I've changed it from being a drawing to a shape. If I draw a circle like this, I can also do the same. My drawing is not very good, it didn't show here. So when you now have this shape, you can manipulate it in any way you like. So this is how you can use the inking tools.